Good evening. During this time of emergency, I have a message for our faith communities throughout Minneapolis. First, I'll say it in Somali and then in English. Assalamu alaikum, magaiga wa Jacob Fry, Dolka Magalada, Minneapolis. Hadan Nahai, Rer Minneapolis, Wahan, Kufana, Dalkalka, Iyo, Isu, Dawanshaha, Bushadeni, Iado, Si Gar A, Amantasi Mudan Yihim, Sha'abkini Alu Dinka A. Lakin Hada Sida Ugu Wanagsen E An Isu Garabsin Karno Wa Dab Ahan Inan Kala Fogano. Si Kastaba Hanokote Wahan U Bahanahai Wachtigan Hadurka A Inan Kawada Kaib Tadano Jujinta Vidid Tanka COVID-19 Adu Ha Didaya Haruka Ad La Lidahai Dadka Kale Kaag Dawahu Koiskaga Iyo Kua Ad Jese Shahai Lakin Ka Fagao Kubaha Lagu Ibad Destu Sida Masajid Kaga Ama Kanis Sadada Fadlan Ku Ibadeso Korigaga Si Ad Naftada Iyo Dadkaba U Badisid Damantin Wad Ku Mahadsen Tihin Dolkadka Iyo Dadnimada Ad Mujasin Ilali Naftada Iyo Koiskaga. Part of what makes Minneapolis so exceptional is how close our communities are, and that's especially true of our faith communities. But right now, the best way that we can come together is actually by staying apart. However you worship, what we need most at this moment is universal. A commitment to stopping the spread of COVID-19 by limiting your contact with other people. Hold your families and loved ones close, but keep a distance from your temple, your mosque, or church. Right now, God wants you to pray at home. Thank you for all the sacrifices you make to keeping our city safe.